Hello my lovelies, so what we got today? Today we've got a coin from Yugoslavia. It's 50 dinar, 1985. At first I thought this was aluminium, but it's not, it's quite heavy. So, here we go again. Hope everybody is doing dandy today. Mr. Wonderful is absolutely spotty dog, as usual. Right, let's go over to the beautiful, gorgeous, sexy as ever Big Bertha, and we'll whack a hole in it, as you do. That went nice and easy. Nice and easy does it every time. You didn't know I could sing, did you? Right. Oh, bloody camera. Yeah, it needs a slap on the bottom. Okie dokie. That's pretty good. We'll break out Christy Burr and we'll clean up the edge. You just want to make sure it's nice and clean, free from any micro scratches or cracks forming or stuff like that, you know. It's a beautiful day here today. I haven't been to the market for a couple of days, so I'll be going tomorrow. The rest of the week looks pretty sad. Looks like it's going to chuck it down. You can start to feel it in the air now, like, you know, the summer's just about over. It's getting quite chilly in the mornings, but it's, you know, it still goes plus 18 in the afternoon. There you go. Right, let's show it some love with the fire starter burning. You can even send me your own coins and I'd happily, more than happily, make you a ring out of one of them. Because that's the kind of guy I am. I'm a happy chappy. God. Right. I was saying to my girlfriend the other night, I said, perhaps I should start being a bit more, normal? I mean, bloody hell, what's normal in this world? Instead of acting the idiot. She says, no, you are an idiot, so I suppose, what are we going to do? I think it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? What do you think? Or this side? Oh, I don't know. Well, at least it says Yugoslavia on this side, so I think maybe we'll go with this side. So that's going to go face down in our little doming block. Go over. It's a big red. And do the business on it. Right, there you go. Let's see if I can get a different type of camera setup. Be nice to sort of zoom in, sort of to here, you know, and there. Well, I must have spent 300 or 400 euros on different camera holders, and this is the best one I could find. Right, we just want to find a 17-degree folding die. Too small. That'll do it. Put a bit of the old jollop in there. This is just coconut oil. Helps things move. I think that's pretty good. We'll go back over to Big Red. And we shall. This is a 17-degree folding cone. We'll show a bit of love. Right. Yep. That's pretty good. Right, what we got? We've got that, and that looks pretty clean. I'll give it a couple of wipes around with this sandy. There you go. Beautiful. Right. We'll now go over to Spike. There he is. Standing proud. Use a bit of kitchen roll. Protects the inside. Text of the coin. This is seems to be very soft. I don't like it when they're too soft. You think it's breaking. I don't think I've done any Yugoslavian coins, have I? I think I'll give it a bit more love. It seems to be getting quite hard. I think that'll do the job. Let's give it a bit more love, shall we? Give it a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. I don't know why I still laugh at saying that. That's be my sick sense of humour. I keep checking it because it seems very thin. So you're looking for that top of that coin to touch the mandrel, and you've still got a bow in it. You want to get that out, so that means I have to give it some more. I hate you when you get this far and the bloody ring splits. You think, Jesus wept, why oh why? But I never lose it. I just lose it off camera. Kick the cat. No, I'd never kick the cat. I love my cats. They're always so pleased to see you when you come through the door. Probably they want something to eat. But I'll give it a touch more because I'm greedy. I like a bit more. Don't we all like a bit more? Okay, don't push it. Don't push it. Right. See, it's just cone shape now. The splits, I think there is a ridge in there to come out. They'll break out. Christy Burr. There's a bit of a ridge in there, that lip. I'm going to get that out. Get it out. Cut it out. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. If you want to hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try and do 4 or 5 videos a week. You can send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There you go. No lip. So now we can go down. I think I could put the baby one back in again. I just want to find one where, here you go. It's just protruding about 3 or 4 mil, 5 mil. You don't want it sticking right up. You want it nice and square. It's hip to be square. Right. And give it a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. See the mousse? Nice and straight. Beautiful. My table's still looking quite good. I mean, that stuff I'm using. It's my coin collection over there. But the table ain't looking too bad at the moment. I'm quite proud of it. It's lasted a few days. Right. Let's break out the one and only David Dremel. We'll take out Felton John. We're whacking Kate Bush. This just gets the fire scale off it. It doesn't damage the coin. It's practically the same as Quad Zero steel wool, so you're not really damaging the coin. You're just cleaning it up. The edge I cut out. Give that a bit of a wipe round. Right, let's take out Kate. We're whacking Felton John. I thought I had another Felton John somewhere. This one's starting to get a bit ropey. And we'll get a bit of polish. Just a little bit. Right, let's see what it turns out like. No, I think it's going to turn out quite good. I think that's good enough for the outside. Right, what have we got? What's it all about? What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. Don't ask me, 'cause I don't know. Sorry about that, that just popped out. Alright. Yeah, they're digging up all the roads where I live, and they're digging a tunnel under the... They used to have a bridge, they took the bridge down, now they're building 2 tunnels. I mean, it's about 4 or 5 million. I mean, what's the point? There's hardly anybody live around here. Still, if they can spend all their money, then they can put the taxes up and say, well, we need more money. Yeah. We know how it works, don't we? Governments, mate, they're all the same. Right, how's it looking? How'd it come out? What's it all about? Pretty sexy. Excuse me. That's why I use the kitchen roll. You don't lose any of the detail. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very nice. What size we got? You always measure from the reeded side or the milled side because that's the thickest part of the ring. And this is a size 11 1/4. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. It fits this finger just right, as it should do. Thank you all for your support and hitting the like button for me, please, pretty please, with sprinkles on. And yeah, hope you all have a great day. Be safe, keep smiling, don't let the bastards get you down, and with a bit of luck I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, tell me bye bye.